I am doing my project on the fantastic foamy fountain. These are all my materials. I have my 16-ounce bottles right here, my hydrogen peroxide, my liquid dish soap, everything to measure, my dry yeast, safety goggles of course, my warm water, the funnel, and my food coloring of my choice, which is my favorite color green. So, I will be doing the fantastic foamy fountain experiment. First, I have to put my goggles on, safeties first. I will now add 1/2 cup of hydrogen peroxide into my 16-ounce bottle. After I'm done with that, I add the color of my choice, food coloring, 8 drops into my bottle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Done with that. Now, I add 1 tablespoon of liquid soap into my bottle. So here's my liquid soap. I add 1 tablespoon. Okay, we're done with that. Now I will mix it. That's done. In my separate cup, I will get 3 tablespoons. Clean this off right quick. I will get 3 tablespoons of water, warm water. Get 3 tablespoons and put it into my separate cup. There you go. And right after that, I will get 1 tablespoon of my yeast. 1 tablespoon equals 1 pack of yeast. And I pour it into my separate cup. Now I will stir my yeast in my water. As I'm stirring my yeast and my water, you can see that there is excess clumps that you don't need. So we will put that to the side. Now, here comes the fun. I will now add my dry yeast and water into my hydrogen peroxide. And here comes your fantastic foamy fountain. Now, my question is, does the experiment work as well if you add dry yeast without mixing it with water? My independent variable is, am I mixing the dry yeast with water or not? My dependent variable is how well the experiment works. As you can see, it worked with the dry yeast. My control variables are the amount of yeast, the same soda bottle, and the amount of food coloring. And this is my fantastic foamy fountain.